Looks like it did. Or looks like it did. Um, where to find this? Hmm. Do I do this? Whatever. Let's do that. Oh shit, it actually connected to YouTube. Fucking hell. Even showed the chat message for all of you. Well, goddamn. I don't know what the fuck the break is. We're not gonna use the break option. Cause I have no fucking clue what that is. Yeah, come on. Bot Rix. I actually have a fucking like the other bot that like does your chat and shit. Oh y'all, we're not hearing the fucking music. I'm sorry. Y'all were just listening to my fucking dumbass. Sorry. Sorry.
Um,
I wonder what the fuck kind of category they have for their shit. Let me check. Can I see what category they have? I think you can. Let's add this shit. do this shit. Let's do this shit. Yeah, we still got to wait for all that to be set up. Here we go. That is what we'll do. Now it's waiting game. As y'all know, trading is a waiting game anyways. This song, man, sounds like two different songs at the same time. Am I fucking wrong? Sound like two fucking songs at the same time. Alright, we're about to hit 4 a.m. UTC 5 time, New York time. 4:30 is when the open starts. 30 seconds. Let's see what we see what and how it forms. It actually, yeah, here we go. Let's fucking see how it forms, yeah? The fuck is this pixel ass song, y'all? I mean, I guess it's better than nothing. Although at the same time, nah, it fucking ain't. Okay, let's start with this songs, alright? Here we go, let's see. I mean, I don't know, man. It broke through the fucking EMAs. But them EMAs haven't fucking crossed. Do not like that. Not a fan of that. Not a fan of that. We are very early into judging anything anyways. Because now the range only forms at 45 past. And then we gotta wait for the next 15-minute candle to see, you know, how it reacts within the range. Now you could say that I trade the orb, but I don't, you know, only wait for breakouts, even though, you know, the name literally suggests breakout. That's not how you do it. That is not the way to do it. And that is actually one of the worst ways how to do it. So this sounds a lot fucking better. Is there really no fucking other? I mean, I guess this is the best fucking category for this, even though it really isn't. But fuck it, whatever. We're going with it anyways. We are going with it anyways. Ooh, 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 ooh. Interesting that there's not a specific like fucking category for YouTube, you know? That is very interesting. What y'all think? What type of a day is it gonna be, huh? Is it gonna be a breakout day? Is it gonna be a fake out day? Is it gonna be a range kind of day? Is it going to be a fucking edge to mid or an edge to edge kind of a day? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Can't really tell. Yesterday was a beautiful fucking day, to be fair. Like, look at this beautiful break right here. Right, it broke through. I honestly, this is the trade I would have taken. It broke that micro fucking high. I probably would have been a bit. I usually go for 1 to. I mean, it really depends. I really fucking base it on what the market's showing me. But minimum 2R would have been an easy fucking trade. Very fast trade as well. We'll see what today offers, as they say. I mean, yesterday we were also below the 200. But, you know, that's why I said, that's why the title says Orb is fucking king. Orb is king as long as you use it properly. Because you know most videos that you'll see online are fucking bullshit. Not gonna lie. They make it out so that it seems that orb's fucking easy, but it ain't. It also ain't as straightforward as you might think. Also, discretion plays a big fucking part. If I'm being honest, you know. Like, the more hours that you got on the charts, your, like, I mean, we can call it intuition, but, you know, a smart word for it is discretion. It's just because intuition sounds like, you know, fucking gambling, but it ain't. It's just like, it's hard to fucking explain. You really gotta spend hours and hours on the charts. Then you know, you just visually get used to and just notice these small things about how, you know, the price is reacting and how the price is moving, how the candles are fucking forming. Look at that. You know what? I feel like it might be testing the fucking 200 EMA, right? It might test it, then maybe bounce back. Of course, as I mentioned, we'll have to wait and see how the orb candle fucking forms. And then if we do sessions, let's see. So previous session, I mean, Asian session there was no movement at all. Well, I mean, look at that. The 15-minute, you know, if you look at the higher, I mean, other sessions, right, and where liquidity and shit is. If you look at previous session, Asian session, man. Fucking night shifts. Can't even properly fucking speak. That's Asian session's high, and that is the low. I mean, you could say that this is the low. I won't agree, because that's already where, you know, the sessions started kind of overlapping. I don't know, anyways. Trajecting that high, you know? Look at that, liquidity grab. Boom. Came back down. We'll see. Alright. We shall see. We get any opportunities today. Might not get any opportunities for, you know, the London Open. But then there's New York Open, which is actually my primary. I primarily trade US 30. This is more, you know, an extra kind of a thing. US 30 and Orb is king. To be fair, DAX is just literally for, you know, if there's an opportunity, we take it. If there's not, we don't. Plus, I take super small risk fucking trades on Orb, basically zero risk for me. So let's see. Today is the 5th of March. Do we have anything German? Okay. President's speech, retail sales. Okay. Then actually, do we have anything for high impact news for USD? Unemployment claims. Yeah, no high impact for right now, for this session. What? Fucking hell, look at that. Oh, wait, right. NFBs tomorrow. I doubt I'll be trading that. Non-farm payroll. Right? It happens every first Friday of each month. Fuck, you can get really fucked over by trading that. We'll see. I might or might not trade it. All depends on the setups. All depends on setups. All depends on the setups. I might go for a quick little smoke before we really get into trading. Still need to wait for the fucking first 15 to close after the orb forms, you know. We gotta do that. All right. I mean, see, that's exactly what I was saying before as well. That is exactly what I was saying before. Kind of rejected the 200. The emails are starting to cross over. Look at that. I actually got this fucking shit. That is kind of crazy. I didn't know that I got that. Let's see. My beautiful wallpaper. All right. You see the be right back shit on screen. So I will indeed be right back. Right? I am going for a quick little smoke. All right, I said I said that I'll be right back, but I haven't left. I'm very sorry. I was answering my missus. All right, nevertheless, y'all enjoy the music. I will be right back.
Baby, can't you hear my call? Is it loud enough? Don't wanna fall. You know I need you. Can't do it on my own. Baby, can't you hear my call? Is it loud enough?
All right, we're back. I do not like what I'm seeing right now, to be fair. Plus, I said, you know, like edge to edge or fucking edge to mid trades, right? But if we look at where the fucking mid is, it's not looking good. Gotta take off the fucking be right back. Where is it? Where is it? We are back. There's no B. Banana. Banana. Fuck that. Ooh, but look at that. Oh, so the fucking bottom wick ain't looking good. But see, it's kind of bouncing off the fucking 200 EMA, right? Right here. And then it's kind of respecting the mid. But we still gotta see what the candles do. So it didn't really fucking break through. Which means might be a fake breakout. All depends what the next 15 minutes shows us. Let's go to 5 minutes. Because I mean we wicks on both sides, you know. That's not exactly what we want to see. It might be an edge to mid, then mid to edge again, you know. Maybe edge to edge. Might be ranging between. Looking at the wicks, it might be might be going from edge to mid, but it also might break out. We'll see. Because I mean, now look at the EMAs, right? EMAs are starting to cross over as well. We shall see. I mean, to be fair, if the 5 minute, you know, does break out, still gotta look at the wicks and at the candle itself. But this right now, was looking more like a more like this kind of a trade. Of course, ideally this. But I won't be taking it because I'm not getting enough confirmations, you know. I need to see what the 15 minute does and what the 5 minute does. Because looking at the EMAs and then just, you know, the overall structure, it's going up, you know. That is kind of where we're at right now. Let's wait and see. This game is all about patience. All about patience. This was just an example, you know, of how it could be looking. As I said, I won't be entering in that. My bias right now, looking at everything, is still bullish. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Man, these random pixel fucking songs. I am definitely bullish. Trust the process, though. I trust my process. I trust my model, my trading model. It's been proven itself very fucking successful the past 2 or 3 weeks. very fucking successful, if I may say so. I mean, 20% on 100k account is mental. And breakout. It is, you know, to be fair, more and more looking like a range day. You know, a lot of wicks in both directions. It's looking like a very range kind of day. We shall see. We shall. On the weekend. Like, you know, these fucking wicks, man. I don't know, it doesn't really want to break out. Definitely is ranging. Patience, patience. As I said, I'm definitely bullish. I mean, definitely. Plus, it respected the 200 fucking EMA, you know. It's a very tight range, though. Very tight range. Let's look at what the 5 minute is showing us. Ooh, like this song. Like what I hear right now. Well, the wick to the downside for the 5 minute is, you know, smaller. Of course, for you know, very good 8+ setup. The one for the break of the 15 to have virtually no, ideally no downside wick whatsoever. Ideally. Of course, we don't live in a perfect world. That's more for an 8+ setup. But all in all, we might take a very low expectancy trade if it breaks above this micro structure. If it breaks this high on the 1 minute, we might take a very low expectancy trade. Seeing all these wicks, we'll have to see. I mean, the 5 minute did close out of the range. So, you know, if the 5 minute actually does close very bullish, with virtually no downside wick, and it closes within the 75 to 100%, you know, range of the candle itself, might be jumping in. Because I mean, entering right now, look at all the wicks, right? That would be a very, very, like, the size of the trade would be very, very low. It would be a very small trade due to it being, you know, a very low expectancy trade. If I would end up entering it, very low expectancy. See, the 1 minute didn't break through. That's exactly why we also wait for the 5 minute candle to close. We want candle closures. We don't really... I don't really trade... I mean, obviously I use, you know, momentum as well, but... Again, with orb, if you want to, you know, properly fucking execute orb, you gotta be fucking patient. You can just enter on, you know, random breaks of the orb itself. Like, you really gotta be patient. Let's see. Does it close outside of that? If it does close outside of that, stops will be probably below here. Very low expectancy trade. Very small small lot size. Yes, I didn't wait for the 5 minute candle close. But then again, I did say that I might enter a very low lot size, very low expectancy trade if it does break the microstructure, right? Plus, look at the EMAs. They're nice and fanned out. You know, proper EMAs. I know it says 50, 100, and 200, but they ain't. If you want to see, they're actually 9, 21, and 200. Yeah, see now, the 5 minute candle, that's not what you want to see. This type of candle, yes, there's virtually no lower wick, right? But look at the wick to the upside. That is no good. And the next 15-minute candle is about to close as well, which again, look at the wick to the downside. There's a lot of, you know, it's showing a lot of selling pressure, which could be because of this previous session's swing high. So the 5 minutes closed. I mean, the good news is that it's showing a lot of buying pressure. This candle closed above the orb as well, but that's not good enough. This 15 as well, like, it's basically you know, insane wick doji, basically. And again, it did close above, but like the candle itself, it's not a strong fucking candle. We gotta see what this next candle does. This is just a, you know, trade idea. If I would be entering in this trade, very, very, very low expense. Because one thing as well with orb, you do trade orb and you want to get better at trading orb, you can't have a fixed stop loss. Or, you know, like a certain point stop loss for your trades for orb. That's unfortunately not how it works. I mean, it can work out, but as I said, it's them fucking wicks. Do not want to see wicks like this to actually enter. This is just a potential thing. See, that's why you actually wait for a proper candle. That's what I said. You either skip it or very low expectancy, very, very small lot size. But then again, let's see. Yeah, like this. Let's see what actually would have happened if you entered on those bad because I mean, stop loss, obviously you set it, you know, a few points below this swing right here, this micro level. See, depending on how the 5-minute closes. The wick. I still, even if it does, because I, you know, always enter on the 1-minute candles. 1-minute chart. Even if it would break this high right now, look at the 5-minute. The wick to the downside, you know, there's still quite a lot of selling pressure. But still, again, this is just to show you why this, you know, still could be a valid trade, and a trade that you could take. But why, you know, like, you know, giving yourself like an actual, you know, expectancy for a trade is so fucking important. A lot of wicks. A lot of wicks. Look at the 5-minute. Way too many wicks on both sides. Actually take a step of the trend. The 15-minute as well, you know? All these fucking wicks. Like, you want to enter on solid candles.
Got my head in the clouds while I wait for you to come back to me.
Because as we know, not jumping into a trade is a win as well.
And now that you're gone, I've been holding on to all the distance.
Not pulling the trigger is a win as well.
But I know that I'm falling faster, deeper into your eyes. Does it matter how many
Like I said this before, you know, the orb even formed. Well, no, on the first 15-minute candle after the orb formed, I said that it's, you know, looking very rangy. Very rangy. Still my personal bias. You know, going into it was bullish for my model, for my strategy, the way how I trade. Yeah, it is kind of, you know, trying to go to the upside, you know. This might as well have been just a fucking liquidity grab. The 15-minute, you know, to both sides. Fucking over people on both sides. Let's look at the 1 minute. Like the 1 minute has been going up as well. And as I said, like with my model, I would never take that big of a fucking trade, you know, because I don't swing trade. Don't even. I mostly scalp. I'm not like a quick momentum scalper, you know. Like this orb model fucking works, I can tell you that much. Yeah. Like orb as well, you know. There's so many different ways how you can trade it. You just gotta find a way that works for me. And I actually found a way that works for me. It's been, you know, giving me great fucking results. So, 5 minute. Still a lot of wicks on both sides. Still haven't had like a proper confirmation candle, you know. Still haven't had that. Nor did we actually see any FVGs. I mean, sometimes if I do see an FVG forming, it's not a confirmation for me to get into a trade, but it's another, you know, fucking level that I'll be looking at. None of that has happened either. So, just sitting and waiting, you know. And that's why DAX and NAS, for example, like if you want to trade orb and indices especially, like US 30 is the best one to trade. It has the cleanest price action. Like with DAX and fucking NAS, you're gonna get faked out a lot. It's a, you know, it's crazy. It's Vicky, you know. Let's call DAX NAS Vicky. Like you see a lot of fucking wicks. Yesterday, not as much. Yesterday was fairly clean price action, but like overall, that's why it only. That's why it should only be like you know, secondary fucking instrument that you look at. Definitely shouldn't be your main. I do trade it whenever I see good fucking setups. Just due to the fact that in the time zone that I live in, I can easily trade both, you know, the London session break, like opening range, and then New York as well. Which is lovely. Because, you know, practice makes perfect. What? Yeah, you kind of get an idea of why I said low expectancy and, you know, small lot size trade. Fuck. Them fucking wicks, man. In the past 2 weeks, I have had some trades on DAX, but those were fucking clean trades, because most of the days this is how it fucking looks, you know. It just fucking goes wick to wick to wick to wick. Very rarely do you actually see like clean movements, clean breaks during the session. Like, look at this. Fucking terrible. Still hasn't shown any fucking candles or any reason to actually, you know, trade. It's been an hour since they opened. No trades yet. Still gotta fucking wait. Yeah, the previous sessions swing high, you know. Can't fucking break through. Like, it is showing higher lows and higher lows and higher lows. Can't seem to break through that swing high. It has kind of, you know, rejected this liquidity zone, right? I mean, look at all those wicks. You can very clearly see that that's a liquidity zone. Very clearly can see this be liquidity zone. Oh, them fucking night shifts, lads. Night shifts are killer. Wah. Well, now seeing how this 5-minute candle closed, you enter on that 5 minute, say stops below all these wicks. Let's see, yeah, below these wicks. And we target a 2R. We'll see how it goes. Still, even with this, this 5 minute candle, yeah, like the lower fucking wick, you know, it's still showing selling pressure. And a lot of selling pressure. Trading view is so fucking laggy compared to, like, it's lagging behind the candles, you know, compared to like MetaTrader. But obviously that's because, you know, on MetaTrader you're trading directly with the broker. Yeah, DAX is very bad today. DAX is very bad today. My apologies. Man, I'm getting sleepy. Holy shit, am I getting sleepy? Gotta work though. Gotta trade this session and then in exactly 3 hours the New York session starts. That's where the real money is. Trust me, that's where the real money is. Don't need this shit anymore. All right, give me a sec. I'll be right back. I need some water. Yeah, give me a sec. Give me a sec. Alright, what's happening here? Still ranging like a little bitch, I see. It's alright. It's expected. There's also barely any fucking momentum. I mean, volume. Look at the fucking volume. You want volume and momentum for orb. Those are your best friends, trading orb. Like, it keeps touching the fucking liquidity zone, you know? Or orb high. Very indecisive market right now. Alright, give me a sec, I'll be right back. Again. I'll be right back again. Very indecisive today. It can't seem to fucking... keeps playing around this fucking liquidity zone, the orb high. No fucking volume. Need some volume. Alright, give me a sec. Time for some protein. It's peanut butter jelly time. No, it's banana time. It was actually a banana doing the dance. No? Peanut butter jelly time. This banana is a fucking scam. It has a dark fucking... Its skin is dark, but it ain't fucking sweet. Fucking hate that. I love bananas that, you know, are in the sweet spot. They ain't too mushy. They ain't too mushy and they ain't too green. You know, they're like the fucking perfect middle ground. That's the bananas I like. Like a partial boner, you know? Not that I like boners. Well, here we go. That's exactly what I said about low expectancy. And only small trades if you do go for it. Man, that was a very disappointing fucking banana. Like a very disappointing banana.
I know a place you and I can escape. I wanna live where the silence breaks. Is this a dream or we wide awake? I wanna live where the silence breaks. I wanna take away all your pain. No longer drowning in the rain. Baby, I'll do whatever it takes. I wanna live where the silence breaks.
Oh, my apologies. Oh. Alright, anyways, it's time for me to bounce. Might be back later on for the New York trading session. Thank you for tuning in. It's been a